Okay, back to Venice. This place is outrageous. Great food, massive crowds, overwhelming spectacle everywhere you look. I can't recommend the gondola ride enough. It's the most peaceful way to experience just how special this place is. Hey, thanks for watching my stuff, but be cool, hit subscribe. I completely suggest you spring for the long ride. It was completely enjoyable. I'll let you check it out. One thing that's very surprising about this experience was how congested the canals are with gondolas. And it's seriously staggering that they're not crashing into each other. We really marveled at how they could take these corners, get under the bridges, squeeze between other gondolas without crashing all the time. These guys have skills. In the movies, they make it look like this quiet, romantic time, and I guess it could be, but it would not be private. Cruising right next to each other, and the gondoliers sound like they're yelling at each other.
Minuti ti arriva che frittura mi sarà.
Allora Diego, sa che te voglio tanto bene.
Però ti sta per morto.
No, e gli altri.
Aspetta, che costa, fermo! Che costa, fermo! Non sente che sente il suono.
We asked if they were arguing, and they said they were talking about going to get a beer at the pub later. Mostly it's just a really great way to get an up-close look at just how marvelous this city is. It really makes you feel like you're getting to be a part of it. I would 100% recommend it, and I would love to do it again. Until we meet again, Venice.